Here's the step-by-step of how we put the name on our boat.
The first job that we decide to do, how many months? 7, 8?
10 months.
10 months later, it's getting done.
I'll take you through the step-by-step, but at the moment I'm just making sure that it's in the right place before we put it on for good. All we needed for this job was soapy water, 2 pieces of lint-free cloth, a measuring tape, methylated spirit, a cutting knife, the applicator that came with it, and some masking tape, and of course the name. First, I prepped the boat where I wanted to put the name. I used the methylated spirit and the lint-free cloth to do that. Then, I used the measuring tape to work out exactly where I wanted the name to sit, and you used the masking tape to hold it in place. I added another piece of masking tape in the middle to be able to hinge the name away and do it in 2 parts. I used the knife to slice off the backing paper and peeled back the name. I then sprayed it with soapy water. I made sure to spray the boat and the name before smoothing it back on. Using the applicator, I smoothed the name from the middle upwards all the way along, then from the middle downwards all the way along, and then horizontally. The name is now on. We just have to wait for 30 minutes and fingers crossed it looks good. The moment of truth. After 30 minutes, I poured water all over the name and peeled off the top paper. Yay! It worked! Does it look good?
Yeah.
How good. That was actually the quickest, easiest job I've done on the boat to date. And there you have it. A boat name in a few simple steps.